Okay, I'm gonna do really quickly, I'm gonna show you how to make that effect wherever my website is. How to go from light to dark, like this, light to dark, okay? Just really quickly, okay? So, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm making a new layer. Make a rectangle here. Always start with a solid color. So let's say I wanna work in the oranges, okay? Orange, so pick a base color and drop the paint bucket. Okay, next, when you're playing with colors and painting, try to stay in this middle zone. Okay, avoid super dark, super light, whatever, you know, just you'll see what I mean in a second. Okay, paintbrush, B for brush. I'm gonna go to my great paintbrush here, and I'm just gonna go in here, reduce my opacity, and I'm just gonna go with light to dark. So if this is light, so I'm gonna go like this, make my brush bigger. I'm just gonna come in here, and I'm gonna press, okay? So I'm gonna zoom in a lot more so you can see what I'm doing, closer that is. The other thing is I'm gonna go to dark, right? So I'm gonna say this is my dark, so I'm gonna drop the dark. And this is my mid value, okay? Mid value. So the idea is, how do you get these to transition? The way you do is you keep one hand on the command key, you pick a color here between the two, and you stroke a little bit like that. You pick a bit of this, you come down. Okay, you pick, you come down. You take this color, you go up. So basically, because I'm at 38%, so if I stroke once, that's 38% of the 100. So if I do another one, that's 48%, 58%, 68%. Every time I go on until I hit that color. Yeah, thanks. Okay, so here, so I did that, okay, so you can do that too. Make your brush smaller, reduce the opacity, and just come in here and just kind of play with that kind of thing. See, just a little brightness. But don't make, oh, I have music going in the background too. Oh boy, this is gonna be shut down as a video. Ah, man. Okay, we'll try it anyway. I think YouTube's not gonna let me because there's background music on. Okay, so this is what I did basically. I went here, went a little darker on the way down, okay? And then the way I finished it is I took my pencil, went super dark, not completely black, took my pencil, made my brush smaller, and I'm just gonna go in here like this and just kind of do that. Okay, so never draw it 100%. Okay, something like that. So this would be a letter I, for example, okay? That's it. Let me end this video so everybody can leave, whoever's here at lunch. Thanks, bye.